Today I come back with another question of understanding ICSE mathematics of class 9 of ICSE board. So the students who are from class 9, it will be very helpful for them, and basically who are in ICSE board. So this book name is ML Agrawal. So I'm going to discuss some question from this. So before that, you open or you connect it. Let me share the link first so that other can also be active. Link shared. So which number question I'm going to discuss? Okay, that is of triangles. This is of geometry of chapter 9, triangles. The subtopic is triangles. So I hope triangle is clear to everyone. What is triangle? How many sides are there in the triangles? How many types of triangles are there? So triangle is a closed figure which has three sides and three angles. So that is a triangle. So I'm directly going to the exercise question. This is 9.1, exercise 9.1. So 9.1 question number 9. 9.1 question number 9 I'm going to discuss. Let me read the question first. In the adjoining figure, AB is equal to AC and D is the midpoint of BC. Use SSS rule of congruency to show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Number 2, AD is bisector of angle A and AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is the diagram also is given, and this is the question. By SSS means side congruency we have to use, and we have to solve this question. So this is the question. First of all, question should be clear, and whatever the things is given, it must be clear. Then only the solution will be clear to you. I hope it is visible to everyone. Okay, let's discuss the question with solution. So this is exercise 9.1 again I am discussing, and question number 9, this I am going to discuss, and this is the diagram that is given. ABC is a triangle and D is another point on BC. So what is given over there? Like given AB is equal to AC, means AB is equal to AC, it is given. This is the first step. AB is equal to AC. This is the first step. AB is equal to AC is given, and D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC, side BC, D is the midpoint. Hence, if D will be the midpoint in the center, in the middle of the BC, then what will be happen? Means this BD will be equal to this DC. So that I have written over here. BD is equal to DC. As D is the midpoint of BC, so BD will be equal to DC, because this will be required in the question. So that is why we have to write it first. And next one is the question I have written again. We have to solve it like triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and number 2, AD is the bisector of angle A and AD is the perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. Means AD is perpendicular to BC also, that I have to show. The first solution I am going to discuss, that is, as it is said that like triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So first of all, you have to take the triangle ABD in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. That is given. So we'll write that one. And after that, AB is equal to AC. That is given. AB is equal to AC. That is given in the question only. So that we have written as it is, because for congruency 3 things are required. So 3 points are required to prove both the triangles are congruent. First thing is given, AB is equal to AC, and we have to focus on sides only, because as it is in the question it is written that we have to prove by side congruency. So AD is equal to AD I have written. AD is equal to AD means that is the common arm. I am showing you how it is common arm. Like in this triangle you can see like in this triangle also and in this triangle also, this AD is common, so that is why it is written common. AD is common. Now BD is equal to DC, that is the BD is equal to DC. Why it is written BD is equal to DC? Because as we have proved is D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC. So that is why this will be equal to this. Means BD is equal to DC. So as D is the midpoint of BC, right? Now therefore three things we require, that is the three sides we have got. So that is why triangle ABD, which is congruent to triangle ACD by side congruency. So this is the requirement thing that we have done. Next one is so this is the first question. Till now first question we have solved. I hope the first part is clear to you. The second part of this question, that is this is done like congruency we have shown. Now AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A. So for that, as both the triangles are congruent, so we can write angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Angle, I am showing in the diagram, angle BAD means this angle will be equal to angle CAD, means this angle CAD. So these are equal. Why? By CPCT. CPCT full form is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Therefore this is the second thing, is that only AD is the bisector of A. Bisector means AD is dividing the angle A into equal parts. So that we have proved it, like angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by CPCT. This is the second question also we have done, that is a required thing. And next one is the third one. Third one is angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. It is, you have to next thing is AD is perpendicular to BC, you have to prove it. So for that we have done, for as it is both the triangles are congruent, so what will be there, like angle ADB is equal to angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, because by CPCT we can write that we have written over there. Okay, next one is, now both the angle will add this plus this, so it will be 180 degree. Why? Sum of angles on straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. You can see this diagram. Suppose that this angle and this angle, these are angles on a straight line. So that is why the sum of angles on a straight line will be 180 degree. Now it is angle ABD that is written up, and in place of angle ADC we have written ADB, because ADB is equal to angle ADC. So that is why in place of ADC we have written ABD equal to 180 degree. Now this will be same angle, you can say ADB, and this will be also ADB. So 2 ADB angle we can write equal to 180 degree. Therefore ADB is equal to 180 by 2. This 2 will be divided to go in right hand side to divide. And after that, after dividing, we got hence angle ADB is equal to 90 degree and angle ADC is equal to also 90 degree, because angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. So if both are 90 degree, means you can see this one, if this will be also 90, this will be also 90, means you can say this line is perpendicular, this AD is perpendicular to BC. That is the third question. Therefore AD is the perpendicular of BC. AD is the perpendicular of BC. I hope it is clear to everyone, it is visible to everyone. I am showing the full solution question. This so hope it is clear, and if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe, because generally I solve some questions and share it, so it will be helpful for you, basically the students. So this much in this video. We'll meet soon with another question, new questions with new concept. Thanks a lot for connecting. Thanks for watching.